Hi everyone. For this video, I want to look into this story about Princess Beatrice and Edo and see what is happening, because it said they're kind of having a rocky time right now. I think they probably are. I mean, I was listening to some podcasts and they were saying about how um Edo's family is worried and um not very happy about Andrew, about everything happening with Andrew. And then it seems like in the middle of everything, Edo just took off to Florida. That's what that was my gathering. I don't know. So we're going to use Daniel today to ask about Princess Beatrice and her husband Edo, Mapelli Mozzi, I think, or Mozzi Mapelli. Oh, I forget. Anyway, you know what I mean, Daniel. So we're just going to ask, uh, how is their relationship, Princess Beatrice and Edo's? Can you tell us? I'm just going to give you a kickstart because otherwise we might be here all night. Can you tell us how Princess Beatrice for now, and Edo relationship is right now, please? Is that a P? P. And yes is vertical, no is horizontal, just so you guys know. Thank you to all of my lovely friends for being here tonight for this video. P-O. O. Well, that's two O's. How is their marriage doing? And it looks like, okay, you're turning. It says P-O-O. Oh, is that a P? Oh, Daniel, you're taking lessons from Diana, aren't you? Diana is my other pendulum, and I called her a potty mouth pendulum because of the horrible, nasty thing she said. It was funny, and she even laughed. She spelled out tee-hee, but okay. So Daniel just spelled out poop. Is that true? Is that true? Is so and so is their marriage in poop? I have to say also, this video is for entertainment only and allegedly. So I'm just going to put you down for a second. So is their marriage in trouble? Is their marriage in trouble, Princess Beatrice and Edo? And it's barely going to yes. But you know what that's telling me? That it's kind of a secret or something. So what's happening? Is Edo living with Beatrice? Is Edo living with Beatrice right now? Or no? Okay. Are they separated? Are they physically separated in the marriage? As in living apart? Okay. Oh, are you saying no? Okay. Are they separated as in the marriage is like they need counseling, that kind of separated? As in the next step is divorce? Are they separated. And it looks like it, well, it keeps going to rephrase. Okay, we'll visit that again. What about his wife, ex-wife? I heard today, I think it was Paula Froelich saying that she is also friends with Megan. Is that true? Or is it? Okay, oh, is that Doria, is her name Doria? And Edo's ex-wife, is she friends with Meghan Markle, please? Okay, that is going to know, but they said she's besties with the Serena and Venus Williams. Is that true? Oh, that's going to know. Oh, that was Paula Froelich. Well, do they just hang out together then? Do they just hang out together, or what? There is something going on, guys. This keeps saying no. Okay. Is Edo looking elsewhere besides Beatrice, please, for companionship? Is Edo looking somewhere else besides Beatrice for companionship? As in mistress or something? It is going to yes, but it's okay. Is it? Is Edo looking for somewhere else besides Beatrice? Is he looking for a mistress, or has he found one? Is he with someone else? Is Edo with someone else? Okay, now my other pendulum was doing this a while ago. That's why I changed to Daniel. So, I would say there is protection around this. Well, let's just ask, is Beatrice, Princess Beatrice, is she into the dark arts? Is Princess Beatrice into the dark arts? I'm sick of waiting. Is Princess Beatrice into the dark arts, please? As in, I think her mom is, but then again, I'm not for sure. Because the reason I'm asking that is because this seems like it's under some sort of, so look at that. It keeps on going around and around. Okay, it won't answer. So, you know what, guys? I think that they are, but of course it won't answer. And I think they're really protected against, because they put out stuff that they want us to hear. And other than that, I think they do kind of hide things from us, protect themselves. Let's put it that way. Thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate every one of you and my lovely members for supporting this channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and the hype. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.